kind of desserts. I like to do different things because I've changed my eating habits. I'm not a vegan. I'm not a vegetarian. I'm a pescatarian, which I eat seafood. But I like to put things on my page where anybody that will come across my page, they'll find something they can eat or they may like. So tonight we are doing vegan brownies. So it has no animal fat, animal product in it. And like I said, it's a simple recipe, and all this is just coming together nicely. I use my KitchenAid hand mixer, a silicone spatula, my stainless steel, my chocolate chips I use is the bittersweet chocolate Ghirardelli. And you're just gonna hand mix this. I added pecans in this one because I love me some nuts. And you hear that buzz on that stove, that's my other brownies coming out. So, quick and simple recipe. So for the ones who just came in, we're making vegan brownies. I use my sugar and my aquafaba. Aquafaba is the juices off of chickpeas. You drain your chickpeas and you use that instead of using egg whites. So we're gonna pan up these brownies. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back. I'm going to coat it just like I do my cakes with this little, this is cake goop from the Sugar Geek that I follow. So I stand by this because it works. I love it. My brush here is a silicone brush. I don't like the regular brush. It leaves bristles all in your pan when you're trying to coat it. So I love the silicone brushes. And I think I got these brushes off of Amazon. And all I'm doing here, so I can lift my brownies up out of this pan, I'm just putting it over the edges. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to grease this sheet too. This parchment paper on it, because I don't want it to stick anywhere. And like I said, I thank you guys for joining me tonight, taking time out of your busy schedule to spend it here with us. Once we're finished, I'll post the recipe. And it's nice and fudgy. Some good old fudge brownies. Who said eating desserts couldn't be healthy? I'm throwing it out the pan. So I'm going to get the other ones and I'll bring them over to you and let you see what they look like. And these are the brownies just came out the oven. Ooh, they're really hot, so I can't cut them. They're still bubbling. But it has that nice little crust on the top. And once they cool, I will take pictures of them and post them on my Instagram and my Facebook page. I'd like to say thank you guys for joining me tonight. I appreciate you all. And these are vegan brownies. I am Shonda with Shonda's Edible Delights. And you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok. And we do all type of desserts. So whatever you're celebrating, Shonda Edible Delights can deliver. I thank you guys for joining me tonight.